Welcome back to the POW-Master channel. In this video, we will show you how to install the Wi-Fi module and use SmartMan Business to enable remote communication between your phone and the inverter. After all wiring for the inverter has been completed and the unit is powered on, connect the data collector to Wi-Fi communication port located at the bottom of the inverter. For this demonstration, we've only connected the battery cables to start the inverter. Once the module is securely connected, check the indicator lights. NAT indicates the communication status with the router. COM shows the communication status with the inverter. READY shows the operating status of the data collector. At the moment, the NAT light is off, which means it hasn't connected to the router yet. The COM light is solid, means the collector has been successfully connected to the inverter, and the ready light is flashing slowly, which means the collector is working properly. After confirming that all indicators are normal, scan the QR code shown in the video to download the SmartMan Business app. Please note that this QR code downloads the business version of the SmartMan app, which is different from the standard version mentioned in the user menu that comes with the module. The business version provides additional features such as the ability to remotely change inverter settings. Open the app and tap Register. You can sign up with either your email or phone number. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration. Since this is the business version, you will need to enter business name. If you are a personal user, you can simply enter any name, as it won't affect app usage. Once registration is complete, log in with your new account. On the home screen, tap the Add icon in the top right corner to create a plan. Fill in the required information and tap Save. Next, add an inverter device to your plant. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on, then scan a QR code on the data collector to add a device. Proceed to connect the module to your Wi-Fi network. Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal and enter the password to connect. Please note that the module does not support 5 GHz networks. Once connected, you can fill in the authorized end-user information or simply tap down to go directly to the inverter's dashboard. After waiting for about 1 minute, refresh the page and you will be able to view all real-time data from the inverter. Tap the device to enter the inverter interface. If you've added multiple inverters, you can identify each one by checking the SN label on the inverter. Inside the interface, you will find detailed and clear information about the inverter's operating status. Tap Remote Control to open the settings page where you can modify the inverter's parameter remotely. Now let's take another look at the indicator lights on the data collector. The NAT light is now solid, indicating a successful connection to the network. The COM light is slowly flashing, on for 1 second, off for 1 second, showing that communication with the inverter is established. The red light continues to flash slowly, means the collector is operating normally. And that's the complete guide for the setting up Wi-Fi communication on the POW-SunSmart LVM12K hybrid inverter. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.